So I posted a video to the Survivor Jeeps group, which focuses on AMC Jeep CJ Series 76 to 86 Jeeps, on what would be the best solution for my failing cowl seal. Low mileage Jeep, 15,000 miles, Survivor here, but this has seen better days, so I'm going to replace it. I've got the Fairchild seal, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I've got the Fairchild replacement sealed here. Seems very nice and pliable. Seems to match up well. The only thing I'm noticing is, for whatever reason, on this OEM, there's this little metal backing piece that's in the center of it. Doesn't look like there's a place for it. Maybe it's just not needed with the modern material they have. So it looks like it's just about a half dozen screws here. So I'm gonna go through that and see how easy this is. All right, so these screws just pop right off. The only one that looks a little tricky is the one here with the wiper motor on it. It's got a little grommet to attach the wiring. And then it's just got these little hand head screws on there, or button head, I guess. All right, I've got the screws off. Now, I almost thought this had adhesive before on it, but there's no adhesive. It's just kind of dust and grime that was in there. So yeah, popped right off, no issues. And you can compare it here, the OEM and the replacement. Very similar. Like I said, the only thing that I noticed different was the OEM has this little metal rod in it for some reason, and I don't believe there's a way to put it in this replacement. So, all right, so bring this up, and yeah, you can kind of see it's hard. Maybe there was some type of sealant on here, or maybe, let's see. Yeah, I actually think, let's see. No, so it looks, well, it's hard to tell. It does look like someone at some point put the stuff on here, possibly. It's very pliable. It's almost like putty. So I wonder if that was from the factory. I know everyone was saying that it didn't come with any sealant from the factory, but I'm telling you, this Jeep has not been played with. And to me, this putty that they have in here is from the factory. All right, so that cleaned up super easy. There's still a little bit here, but all this was, and I'm 99.9% sure this is factory, is just this black putty, and it was really just on this side and that side. It's almost like when it was installed, just to hold it in place. It was not any type of sealant or somebody put on there. It was just putty. So to me, it's like it was from the factory and it was to hold it in place. But yeah, that's my thoughts anyway. All right, putting the new seal on. Really simple. It looks like you're just lining up the holes here and then reaching underneath and putting this lip on, and that just pops right in there. All right, I've got this kind of fitted in here, and yeah, this lines up pretty darn good. Looks like a really tight seal, and I'll continue to work away on this. It may be about 1/8 of an inch too long down here. And I'll just kind of work it in. It's bunched up just a tiny bit on the passenger side. So I button this thing back up. Again, this is the Fairchild Cowl seal replacement, and it fits great. Really nicely made. Like I said, it was about 1/8 of an inch off, and I just had to maneuver it a little bit, get it into place. Whole thing took 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just taking my time with it and then cleaning up all the dirt that was in there. And like I said, I know people said that there's no type of sealant. There was no sealant on this, but there was putty, and the putty was holding on each side a little bit, holding this in place. And I believe it to be from the factory. This is a unmolested 85 CJ7 with 15,000 miles on it. So hope this helps out anyone that's considering ordering a cowl seal. I definitely get the Fairchild. It fits perfect. It's not annoying with the gaps I had on the OEM one that was loosening up on me. And the only difference, like I said earlier, as far as construction, is this wire that the OEM had in there for whatever reason. So hope that helps someone. Thanks.